Welcome to the Dark Nook Monster Shop. To make this texture roller, you're going to need one of these epoxy putties, which you can find at any hardware store. It comes in two parts that are two different colors. You mix together parts A and B until they're one even color, and it'll stay soft for a few minutes, and then harden up in about 15 to 30 minutes. Now remember, you want to stick it to the stick while it's sticky enough to stick to the stick, and work it into the shape you want. A point, a chisel, round, whatever shape you need. I'm going for a roundish cone. Then, just push it into the surface of whatever texture you want. In this case, I'm using an avocado that's been in my refrigerator for about 3 months. I roll it over the surface and keep it moving to avoid it sticking to the avocado. And as you can see here, it picks up the texture super easy. Then I set it aside, and a few minutes later, it's cured and solid as stone. Look at that texture. This is the cheapest and easiest to make texture stamp roller I've ever made. It's so easy and so cheap, needs no molds or 3D printers. So I hope you found this video short, sweet, and super useful. Thanks for checking out my video. Please hit like and subscribe to the Monster Shop for more creepy creatures and crafty creations.